OakSmart is a limited, global, inclusive financial services platform. Now, I'm going to tell you that we call this company the Bridge because this company is really bridging average individuals, right? Average everyday investors and bridging them and connecting them with professional institutions and bridging and connecting them with asset management companies that could produce incredible results in the world of trading, right? And that's one of the things that is missing in our space right now. The average person only has access to the average traditional investment vehicles, right? I want to tell you that's what they have access to. They don't have access to something that pays them at a high rate of return. And it's time for us to change that. It's time for things to shift. Guys, it's 2024. Everything is shifting right now. And now it's time for things to shift in our finances. It's time for us to have the leverage that we need. And OakSmart is doing that. And what they're doing is partnering with top level companies that we wouldn't normally have access to, and it's giving us access to that because they have brought together all of the users like you and I, the average everyday individuals, and they're going to top level companies and saying, hey, we have the masses over here. Give us VIP access so that we can produce profits for these people just like you do for your high net worth clients. Guys, I don't know if you think that's amazing, but when I heard that was the mission and the vision of this company and this is what they were doing, I got really excited about what was happening, right? So let's go ahead. Let's talk about compliance and regulation. This is a major key point that we have to hit on because we see compliance and regulation affecting everything in our space, right? Well, this company is taking some steps to do the right thing. The first thing they did was they went and registered as a business in the United States. Yes, they have their business documentation, which you can go and check out for yourself, right? Get with the person who invited you on the line, and they will be able to get that information in front of you. Now, the next thing they did was they went ahead and they registered for their money service business license as well. Now, for those of you all who aren't familiar with the money service business license, this is a license that's issued by FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, which is a bureau of the Department of Treasury in the United States, right? Now, this company, their whole mission, their whole task is to fight or combat illicit use of money, to combat money laundering, to protect the integrity of our financial services system, and to protect the US citizens, right? And so the fact that the company actually went ahead and registered for this money service business license lets you know that the company is trying to do everything in the right way and on the up and up so they don't get in trouble and so that we can make profits for a long time, all right? That's what I like about this company. Now, we're going to start talking a little bit about the first company that OakSmart has partnered with this trade, which is Trading Link. Now, Trading Link is a professional financial services company, right? And what they do is they specialize in selecting excellent trading signal sources. They actually match trading platforms and excellent traders, and they bring them all together. They have the technology, the tools, the software, everything that is necessary, right, for them to be able to perform wonderfully in the trading markets. And that's what's absolutely incredible about this also, right? Now, most people won't have access to something like Trading Link, but Trading Link actually is now available for people to go in and they could get signal sources. They could get all of this type of stuff from Trading Link. But I want to show you the partnership that OakSmart has with Trading Link and why they decided to partner with Trading Link. Now, here are some of the trader accounts from Trading Link, right? And if you wanted to know if they had the right traders, not just one, there's a lot of platforms that boast that they have a great trader, right? And they'll say, we got a trader that's doing some absolutely phenomenal things, but it's one trader. And I can tell you from experience, right, that if you only have one trader, then everything is dependent on that one trader. Something happens to that one trader. If they do something bad, if they just don't trade well, everything is on the back of that one trader, which I don't think is a great thing. I think you need to have multiple traders that actually have the expertise of trading and can go out and trade in the markets. Well, let me show you the variety of traders that they have here. So this first account that I'm going to show you was started on July 28th of 2024 with $20,000. By October 3rd of 2024, it had gained a profit of over $101,000. Now, the second account, this trader had this account and he started on September 26th, 2024. And he started with a $100,000 deposit. And then by October the 3rd, 2024, he had earned a profit of over $199,000. Now, this next account that I'm going to talk about started on July 11th, 2024. And by October the 3rd, that $20,000 deposit that they started with had grown to $247,229. And then the last one we're going to talk about here was started on September 5th. This should be 2024 to October 3rd, 2024. And they had a deposit of $22,500 and a profit of $319,619. Guys, these are some of the accounts that we're talking about here. These traders have been able to do some phenomenal things. And let me ask you guys a rhetorical question. If you had traders that were this proficient at what they do, and they were producing these types of results, if you would want them on your side, working on your behalf to help you achieve financially, if you would want some traders like that on your side, do me a favor, drop a 3 in the chat. How many of you all were like, yeah, I need somebody like that, right? That's what I need, some traders like that producing profits and results. For me, this is absolutely incredible, guys. And I love the way that this company is doing this, right? Now, let's go a little bit further here because I want to show you guys some of the trading reports that Trading Link provides for their partners. Now, you're going to see that Trading Link actually has a lot of partners that they actually partner with. OakSmart is one of the largest, but I want to tell you that they have a lot of partners. And here are here's a sample or a sneak peek of the trading reports that they provide to their partners. And I'm going to play a brief snippet of this right now.
Hello to all Trading Link partners. We have once again arrived at our weekly trading sharing session. This week marks the second trading week of October, and it is also the week following China's National Day holiday. Let's take a look at the market movements. Due to the National Day holiday, some trading products experienced increased volatility. Let's first examine the crude oil futures market. Prior to the holiday closure, crude oil futures had been in a volatile consolidation near the lower boundary of the platform at $67 for 3 consecutive days. After the holiday, prices surged sharply, driven by geopolitical factors.
All right, I'm not going to play the entire video, but I wanted to put this video in here so you guys can see the type of reports that Trading Link provides its partners. These are serious reports talking about the markets, analyzing the markets in depth, right? These aren't just, hey, just here's what we made, here's what the profit was and everything. They're giving a proper analysis of the market, which allows you to know that they are professionals at what they do, right? So hopefully this is more documentation, more proof to you that Trading Link is out there doing incredible things. Now, I want to cover Trading Link's model here and some of their key features so that you can understand that this is a powerful company. First of all, I want you to know that they have an excellent recruitment model. You're probably wondering, with those types of results that I saw on those accounts, Anthony, how are they getting those types of traders? Well, they are going out and recruiting traders, but what they're doing is they're getting those traders because they have the right tools and technology that allow those traders to trade more effectively. And those traders can come over here and trade on the accounts here that Trading Link has. And what happens is that they're able to have a profit share. So now they get to share in the profits because they get to trade more capital, right? And that's an incredible thing for them because they don't have to go out and they don't have to get like a funded account or anything like that. They can actually trade through Trading Link on these accounts, produce profits, and then they split the profits with Trading Link, and which is an incredible thing. Now, here's the next thing. This company is not a fly-by-night company, and they're not a company that just set up with one way to make money. They have multiple revenue models. They're making models to their transaction fees. They're making models from their trader profit sharing. They're making revenue and profits also from their signal service that they have. So the average person can go in, they can sign up for an account with Trading Link, they can purchase their signal service, and then they can start getting those signals and putting those signals in as well, right? So I want to tell you, these are some of the things that people can do. Now, they also have dual intelligent systems. I want you guys to get this, why this is so powerful, because they're using technology, like I said once before, to be more successful in the markets. They're using AI. And there's a lot of people using AI. I know it's not a new thing. You hear AI talked about all the time, but they're using AI to be more effective in the markets and to be able to produce more profits. But we all know it's not just about how much profit you make. It's about how much profit you keep. So they also have intelligent risk control systems, which allow them to keep more of the profit that they make. And that's an incredible thing as well. Now, I want to also let you know that this company only partners with thousands of compliant exchanges around the world. So they're making sure that they're partnering with the right exchanges so they're not dealing with the sketchy exchanges that could go down at any time or it could do something wrong at any time. So they're not dealing with those. So they're doing the right things, guys. And that's what we like about Trading Link here. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of the development history on Trading Link and how it was started. And I want you guys to know that this company was actually launched back in 2021. And they were launched as in London as a fund for, well, as a company that really was focused on high net worth clients, right? Their focus wasn't the average retail trader or anything like that. Now, what I want you guys to understand is that they launched their retail trader project and they recruited 20 professional traders from Europe for fund trading. That was in the first quarter of 2022. Well, by the third quarter of 2022, they already surpassed their trading revenue expectations. They were doing way better than they even thought they were going to do. So they expanded their fund size and the number of traders. They just continued to expand. Now, by the first quarter of 2023, they collaborated with the Middle Eastern Cryptocurrency Fund, and they expanded their trading categories and even began the development of an app of their own. So they were making progress. They're moving forward, right? And they're just continuing to have success in the markets. Now, by the fourth quarter of 2023, they had their second expansion. They signed over 100 outstanding traders across all financial fields. So I want you guys to know, as you saw in the trading reports, this company is not just limited to cryptocurrency. This company is covering all different types of domains, whether it's commodities, futures, any type of trading that they want to participate in. If they have a trader that's excellent with that, they can participate in those markets. Now, by the third quarter of 2024, they announced their a global layout where they're going to partner with over 1,000 funds. And I'm telling you, this thing is in straight up momentum mode and they don't show any signs of slowing down. So we're excited about this. Now, some of the impact that is going to happen because of Trading Link is that there's enhancing trading efficiency and transparency. They're promoting financial innovation, reducing market risk, fostering international cooperation. They're supporting the growth of their traders, and they're increasing ordinary investor participation. See, ordinary investors are going in and they're participating in the markets more because they have something like Trading Link that's going to absolutely help them. But I want to tell you the fact that now we have OakSmart, which is a powerhouse, and Trading Link coming together and they're collaborating. This means more profits for us. We get to benefit from these two powerhouse companies coming together and bringing all of this force together in one, right? So Trading Link is going to win because they're going to get more capital through OakSmart, right? And they're going to be able to do that. But OakSmart wins because they're going to be able to get their profit from their share of the profit sharing, right? But we're going to benefit because of the fact that we get better trading results than we would normally have access to, which is incredible. Now, I want to do a quick comparison to what normal high net worth people have access to, right? Because what we're doing is we're giving people that may have low capital access to projects that have high rewards that normally only high net worth people are able to get access to. So let's look at what they normally get access to, right? So here are four funds that's on here. There's three hedge funds and one is a cryptocurrency fund. And we're going to talk about these and how they compare to what we're going to be able to show you tonight. Well, the first thing is Panthera Capital. If we talk about this is in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. People like this one because they can get in and it's highly volatile, but they've seen years that they exceeded 200% returns, right? That's incredible. There's not many places where you could go and you can get 200% returns. But let me tell you, why isn't everybody doing this one? Because of the fact that, yes, it's very volatile, so it's a little more risky. But the other thing is that it takes you $100,000 of capital to get into this one. Now, I don't know how many of you all have $100,000 of capital laying around that you could throw into a fund and start getting results, right? The other thing is you probably don't want to do that much because of the fact that the fund flexibility is very limited. You can't get in and out of this one as easy and as quickly as you would like. You definitely can't withdraw from it on a daily basis. So this one may not be the ideal product for most people. Now let's look at the three hedge funds that are on this graph as well. We got Bridgewater Associates, Citadel, and AQR Capital Management. Now, these start as minimum of $1 million to get involved, all the way up to $5 million. Now, people like these because they've been very consistent. Now, typically, you're going to get anywhere from 10 to 15% returns on an annual basis from these. Now, the average high net worth investor, they love this because they are able to produce higher returns than most people can get from a traditional financial institution. But one of the things that they probably don't like that much, but they have to deal with is the fact that there's very low liquidity and long lockup periods for this. There's a lot that goes into you actually withdrawing money from a lot of these funds. You got to submit your paperwork. You can't go in, you can't do it daily. If you need money every day, you can't do that. You can't move around in these funds like you can with what we're going to show you tonight. Now, these are things that people traditionally have access to. But let me tell you and make you aware of right now what you have access to, because somebody invited you onto this call and they wanted you to see exactly what we have going on. So let's go ahead. Let's jump right into it right here. I want to introduce to some and present to others the OakSmart products here. And this product line right here is a line of financial vehicles that can absolutely create massive wealth for you if used properly. All right. So let me tell you this. Let me before I go over this money, let me tell you, I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. Nothing in any of this presentation should be considered financial advice. But I want you guys to pay close attention to this information. And I want you to do your own due diligence and make an educated decision for yourself, whether you want to take advantage of these high profits or not. Right. Now, let me tell you, this thing is absolutely phenomenal because they've broken the mold, right? And they've lowered the barrier of entry. And now we have the Oak Crypto Mini product, which means that the average everyday investor can come in with as little as $100 in cryptocurrency to get started with this. Now you can fund this product right here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, Solana, Tether, or even USDC or DAI. You can actually fund with either one of those. Now, let's say if you come in with $100, guess what, guys? They don't put you on a lower level plan to say you're going to make less than everybody else. They put you on the same playing field as the guy that has 1,000 or the guy that has 10,000 or $100,000 in their deposit. You're going to be able to earn anywhere from 8 to 15% per month. And what we've been averaging, guys, is about 12% per month through this incredible program. And what's even more powerful, guys, is that we've been paid out our profits every single day. They have not missed a day of paying out our profits every day from 10 to 1500 UTC every day. In my time here in Eastern Standard Time or Eastern Daylight Time, it happens somewhere between 6 and 6:30 a.m. My profits are in my back office and I am able to do with them what I wish. And I love that, right? Now, also, look, those are your profits, but also remember there's no lockup on your capital. Let me tell you how this works. If you need to withdraw your funds out of here, the funds, I mean the funds that you deposited in here, if you need to withdraw them, if they haven't been sitting there for at least 30 days, the company says you can withdraw 95% of your capital. What? 95%? They say, yes, we only charge a 5% fee. We charge a 5% fee if it's under 30 days. Not 90 days, not a year, not 2 years or anything like that, like a lot of traditional platforms, but 30 days, under 30 days, you can withdraw 95% of your profit. Now, let me tell you this, if it's over 30 days, 31 days, or anything else, right? If it's over 30 days, you can actually withdraw 99% of your profit, of your capital out of this. Yes, you could withdraw 99%, which means that a company is only going to charge you a 1% fee to withdraw after 30 days. Guys, this is so incredible because most platforms don't even let you take any of your capital back. But over here, you can actually come and redeem your capital when you are ready. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. Both the Oak Crypto One, now the only difference is the amount that you come in with. You have the Oak Crypto Mini, you come in from $100 to $499. Oak Crypto One, you're going to come in from 500 up to 200,000. See, you come in with a product like this, guys, it is going to set you apart from everybody else that's earning in the markets, because now you'll be able to say, I'm earning anywhere from 8 to 15%. I'm earning like the big dogs. And this is per month, guys, on a monthly basis, not on a yearly basis like these other products that I showed you just before. So you see that you're earning wealth, you're earning profits at an accelerated rate, which is absolutely amazing. But wait, there's more, right? It doesn't stop there. Once you start earning profits, You are now in the position to let your profits make profits for you because you earn those profits. Let's say you don't have any bill or anything urgently you need to do with those profits. Instead of just letting them sit there and collect dust, let them collect more profits, right? And so the way that you could do that is you could take those as long as you have $10 of profits and you actually can put them into the Oak USD Max plan, which is going to allow for compounding. And you can compound at a higher rate because what we've noticed is that you're compounded at around somewhere historically around 22% per month. So now your profits are earning profits at a higher rate than even your initial capital. This is so phenomenal. But here's what's also exciting about this. Those profits that it's making is even paid out every day from 10 to 1500 UTC, just like your regular profits. There's also no lockup on your capital. So it's no lockup on the profits that you deposit into the Oak USD Max plan. As long as they sit in there for 30 days, you can actually withdraw 99% of them. If they sit in there under 30 days, then you can withdraw 95%. There's a 5% fee. Like, guys, this is incredible that we have something that's going to allow us to earn passive income, what I call on steroids, guys. It's amazing right here. Now, I want you guys to notice that everything that I've just talked about with these products is totally passive. This is I didn't tell you had to read a chart. I didn't tell you had to enter a signal. I didn't tell you had to go in and do trade or do anything, recruit anybody, bring anybody. All of this is totally passive. Everybody can participate in this.